Hello everyone, how are you all doing today? We are back here for another hybrid video, and today we are working specifically with the Jumpy system and the Jumpy pump. We have developed a specialized test here to read the control unit and clear any existing faults in the control unit of the ARLA pump, and this ARLA pump goes directly inside the ARLA tank. So this whole assembly is mounted right here in the tank. With our advanced equipment, it is now possible to access the control unit directly and operate the pump manually. You can remove air from the line, prime the system, check if the level sensor is working correctly, and also make some repairs. All of this is possible with our equipment, the NOx tester box. All right, so now let's show you exactly how this process is done. So once you've selected the system, you then request the JMP pump. First, we're going to turn the key. It actually has a specific button that symbolizes the ignition key, so it's currently on. We turn it on to position 1. Now, at this point here, we're going to request the full system check, so the diagnostic check is performed. This check will verify exactly which system is present. If, for example, the specific control unit is not present, meaning we're not currently connected to the vehicle's main control unit. The pump, however, is definitely present, so the pump's own control unit, communicating via the CAN network, has sent the information that it is active and ready, that it is present, that it is in the system, and the NOx sensor is not present because it hasn't been installed here. But it's possible to make this connection using this cable. So I can set up the control unit here, I can set up the NOx sensor, and I can also do this in the vehicle. And then in the vehicle, I plug it in here and check the entire situation of the vehicle to see if communication exists between the pump, the NOx sensor, and the engine control unit, which is also the control unit that manages things here. So we did the check, the control unit is present here, okay. Now we are going to move forward with the system verification part of the process. The interface is currently asking us to perform a comprehensive system check. You can clearly hear that the relay has already been engaged. At this point, the screen will display for us exactly what faults are present within the system. Since the ARLA tank is entirely empty right now, the diagnostic tool will naturally indicate that the fluid level is low, so it will interpret this as a fault. It's also showing an open circuit because we don't have the heater connected. So it keeps providing the full operating status. And here we're going to operate the pump. We want the pump to run. By using this setup, I can pressurize the system, connect the ARLA nozzle here, and proceed with the dosing process. Then I will verify if the required working pressure has been reached. And if there's any air trapped inside the system, for instance, if the customer let the ARLA run out, it's possible to perform a drain and a priming using the system here very quickly and easily, right? It's functional, and this will help you in your workshop. Isn't that right? I truly hope that this opportunity brings you many more valuable resources. It is absolutely essential that we stand up and speak for ourselves in these situations. Don't you agree? And always remember to be sure to access and follow our social media and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell so you never miss any of our latest updates. Thank you for watching, everyone.